Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by showing up reliably and listening more than you talk. Start today. Choose one small task to handle and complete it without being asked, because actions speak louder than promises. Once done, stay present, give full attention and ask one or two clarifying questions so she feels heard. Make sure to avoid defensiveness, acknowledge feelings instead. Over time, consistency builds trust faster than grand gestures, so keep repeating these behaviors until they become expected and natural. Next, deepen your bond with daily micro-habits that show you care. Create a 5-10-minute check-in ritual where you both share one win and one frustration. This regularity normalizes openness. Once comfortable, mirror her tone and choice of words subtly to increase rapport, because people feel safer with familiar cues. Make appreciation specific and timely. Praise an exact action rather than saying good job. These repeated, small investments translate into genuine emotional closeness over weeks and months. Finish by learning to resolve problems without escalation. When conflict arises, address it within 24 to 48 hours calmly. Describe behavior, state your feelings with an I statement, and propose one concrete solution so you move forward. Once agreed, follow through and check back to ensure the fix worked. If she pulls away or resistance appears, pause the conversation and revisit after 24 hours rather than forcing it. Troubleshooting tip. If progress stalls, ask what one small gesture would rebuild goodwill and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.